Greetings, mortals, peers, and queers. I'm back from college, and Clarence Thomas's wife was paid nearly $100,000 for consulting by a nonprofit that ended up filing an amicus brief to the Supreme Court. Let's get into it. A little more than a decade ago, a conservative judicial activist helped Ginny Thomas, wife of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, secure consulting work that yielded her nearly $100,000, all the while asking that her name was left off of the financial paperwork, according to a new Washington Post report. Leonard Leo, a lawyer and conservative legal activist, told the then GOP pollster Kellyanne Conway to bill a nonprofit he advised, the Judicial Education Project, and give the money to Ginny Thomas. In January of 2012, the outlet reporting citing financial documents. The very same year, Leo's nonprofit filed an amicus brief to the Supreme Court in a key voting rights case, which a 5-4 majority included Thomas, ultimately opted to strike down a component of the Voting Rights Act. The Post highlighted that the opinion that Thomas wrote for the case, in which he favored the same outcome as the Judicial Education Project, pushed for alongside other conservative organizations. However, he did not mention the amicus brief submitted by the nonprofit. This latest scandal comes amid a flood of judicial misconduct allegations against Thomas in recent weeks. A series of ProPublica reports alleged that the longest-serving justice sold his childhood home to GOP megadonor Harlan Crow without disclosing the sale and accepted decades of very expensive and undisclosed vacations from Crow. I'll link to this article down below. But yeah, seems like the Thomases are just insanely, openly, nakedly corrupt, that they are accepting an ungodly amount of money from Republican mega donors, and that is, to some extent, influencing their opinions. It is, even if it wasn't strictly influencing their opinions, it is certainly a bad look for political activists to be donating tons of money to certain judges in any extent. That is obviously incredibly corrupt. I want to hear from you. What do you think should be done about this? Do you think there should be new laws passed? Do you think he should be taken off the bench? What do you think should be done in light of all of this massive corruption? With that, follow for more daily videos, and I'll see you tomorrow.